Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to go over some technical analysis on our stocks that we cover on the channel. Specifically, we're going to start off with Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. And then we're going to look at Tesla. We're going to take a look at NVIDIA. I'm going to let you know what I did with my TQQQ position that I bought a couple of weeks ago. And we are going to talk about a potential option play that we're going to look to get into. And yeah, just kind of go from there. So ZNOG, we had been talking about how potentially we were going to break and go down to 8 cents. And hate to break it to everyone, but I think that we're going to actually probably go back down to 3 cents, in my opinion. And the technicals are what's telling me that. And I'm hoping that I'm wrong. I'm hoping that the company comes out and gives us some type of information next week to save it from doing that. But I really feel like we're going to dump by next week if we don't have any type of news. We're coming right back down to 3 cents. However, what a cool rinse and repeat opportunity for those who bought at 3 cents, right? So 3 cents to 17, boom, taking some profits, falls down, or just maybe they held from 3 cents all the way to 27 cents. That's crazy. Anywho, let's take a look at the chart, see what they're telling us. We did break below that 12-cent support level that we talked about, and now 8 cents is now our main level that we're watching to see if we can hold for support. And I think temporarily we definitely will, because look how undervalued or oversold that we are on the 184-hour time frame. I think we're going to make for a nice kind of like little double bottom here, and I think we'll probably find some support there and push up a little. However, here's the most concerning thing to me is these two lines are right here. As you see, they are meeting, and we're at a crossroads right here, okay? If this blue line here crosses over that pink line, that signals that we have more room and momentum for more downside, which makes me think that we're going to see 3 cents. However, if we bounce and keep that line above, there's still a chance that we can find some support at 8 and kind of make our way back up. But I don't know, it's not looking too good for the home team. But anyway, those who want to buy more, this is a good chance to maybe average down or start your position. I wouldn't load the boat yet at 8 cents, just in case it gets down to 3 if you're looking to swing it. But right now it makes for an interesting swing trade opportunity, in my opinion, because it's so oversold that you're going to see some type of pop. It may not be significant. You may go like 8 cents and you might get to 10 or 10 and a half or 11 cents, but then you can sell from there and there's rinse and repeat it from there. Okay. Tesla having a pretty good day today. Glad I did not sell my Tesla. And we are so close, guys. Speaking of the blue and the pink line, look how close we are, as you see they're lighting up on the screen, to crossing over. If that blue line that's underneath gets back over the top of that pink line, holy moly, we're going to start rolling with Tesla. All right. Overall, if we can get to $300, about 310, 313 and hold, we should be rocking and rolling and starting to take some good moves to the upside for old Tesla. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Right now, your major supports 247.60, major resistance 299.10. Nvidia. So 110.21, your current share price. Your current support of 110.43. All right, we did kind of poke our head above there, and then we're falling down below it. Kind of similar to Tesla, if we can get this line back over the top, we'll be in great shape. You may dance around here in this channel for a little bit. You may kind of boom, 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 boom. Or if we get one big strong candle to like 115 and then we hold at 110, that would be lovely, okay? But NVIDIA, I bought, again, I bought some more whenever it fell down. Remember, it fell all the way down to 83. I'd bought some here at about 92, 90 something. I just bought them. I bought somewhere down in this big dump period to average down and load up. So now I'm just kind of holding and letting it do its thing, and we'll see where it goes from there. Amazon, I didn't mention it earlier, but we're going to look at this. Amazon 190.75, your big resistance level there. 176.57, your support currently. This one, obviously, have a lot of confidence in it moving forward. I think we get back to $200 fairly quickly on a couple of green days in the market. I just have to wait and see where it goes from there. Let's take a look at Sasol Sasol to, let's see, low 273, which is your support. Your resistance is 394, so let's go ahead and call it $4. We got to get to $4 and hold. We're not that far away, but as you see here, Sasol kind of selling off just a tad. Okay, nothing too significant here, but we want to get above $4 and hold. Again, this one here, my price target on it, I'm looking to hold it through about $8 to $10 is where I'll probably look to sell there. Let's see what else. IQST still sitting at 13 cents, so we're not even going to really fool too much with that. TQQQ, I did sell my position today, and I took profits on it. I bought somewhere down here, right? Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. I actually bought right here, roughly 43.40, 43.46, and I sold here today. Okay, so with this one here, your support is 46.56. If we get down there to 46.56, I'll look to come buy some more there, and then I'll ride it back up. I do like this one to rinse and repeat. It's very aggressive to the up and to the downside, and so I feel comfortable kind of getting in and out of it there. So I'm just going to kind of hold on and swing that one, maybe on a week to 2 week basis, depending on how the price looks and overall state of the market and things like that. And then the new stock that I wanted to tell you about, APLD, which is Applied Digital Corporation, so the NASDAQ, low of $3. We did bounce off of $3 here, and now we're up to $4.60. Okay, I am hoping for another retest of the low, and then I'm going to look for this one actually for an option. Okay, I'm not looking to buy shares in this company. I'm looking for it to dump down one last time here and settle back at $3 or 3-ish, and I'm going to buy a longer term option for it, and I'm going to look for a strike price of roughly anywhere from $12 to $20, and it's going to be a longer term option. And the reason being is, if you look at this little puppy here, it has the tendency to, from where it's at right here, it has the tendency to spike up, and I mean like spike up. So you see here from 309 all the way to basically right here was $10, and then there's $11.94. Right here we're down from $1 all the way to $5. This was, you're at $3, you went all the way to $12.48. So it has that ability to spike up from basically these levels of where it's at. Not saying it's 100% going to do that, but it's something to keep an eye on. However, this right here is a little concerning, as again the golden cross indicator is about to signal that we are going to come down a little bit further. However, that's kind of what I want anyway, right? I wanted it to kind of fall down further. However, the MACD is crossing over from bearish to bullish, so it may just settle right here at about the 460 level and then start making its way back up along with everything else. So we'll just kind of have to wait it out and see where it goes from there. So all right, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Enjoy your weekend. Let me know your comments below and what you're doing with all these lovely companies that we talked about. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.